You're wearing the wrong outfit. Are you supposed to be matching?
Julien.
She's still just talking about products and being an affiliate. Do you have any ColourPop products?
No.
Okay, so we'll have to work around that in a second.
Listen, okay, I don't have all of the brands that whoever this person is gonna have, all right? I'm just like a normal person. I don't just have like oodles of makeup sitting around, you know what I'm saying? You're being a little unclear, so I'm just gonna do this and call it a day, because this is what you told me to do.
Yeah.
Is it like really all the way to like my nose?
No, it's like to the bridge. You have it perfect in the yeah.
This whole thing is the lid.
Yeah.
This is the crease.
Yeah,
that's
so you're
right in
gonna
here.
so the top is gonna meet
No,
the crease.
No words like top. Use
You're
lid, crease,
okay.
brow.
The top.
No.
Let me finish the sentence. The top part of that color.
No. Give me anatomy. Lid, crease, brow. No top part of that color.
Just over halfway, and it's gonna be like a windshield wiper. It's gonna stop like right there. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm learning my makeup terms. Okay. Now get the mascara on.
Hold on, it's gonna dry.
And bottom mascara too.
Okay. Did you know that there's a first syllable to that word called matte?
No, it's mascara. It's your mascara. It's not mascara.